Today we're making a simple Thanksgiving morning tea. I'm actually surprised I like that much. Come on in, welcome to my home. I thought we'd start off with something easy. This Thanksgiving holiday, I have no idea what it's going to be like, so I'm starting it off really simple. Thought I'd start off with a tea. This is a holiday tea that you can use for Thanksgiving, you can use it for Christmas, you can use it for whenever. It is really, really good. And it calls for simple ingredients you probably have, but don't use that often. All the ingredients are listed down below in the description, but I'm going to start off with using just a regular canning jar. I'm going to put my star anise, cinnamon, and this is green tea. Now I have done this with black tea, and it was just as good. Now, I do have some mint outside surviving. It's right up against the house, so it did not freeze. And this was supposed to be a mandarin orange, but this is just a regular orange. But that's okay. Then I have some hot water. I'm going to pour that into my lovely little jar. Yeah, pour that in there. I'm going to put my plate on top. Actually, I can do it this way. It'll work just as well. Either way will work. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this steep for about 5 minutes. Alright, our tea is finished steeping. And I'm going to pour it through a strainer. Put that back in there. Of course. Now let's give this a taste. Wow. Wow. That's interesting. Because looking at it, I thought, well, this is going to be so weak, it's not even funny. But it has that nice, I would call this a morning tea because it is not strong whatsoever. In any way, shape, or form. This is not a strong tea. This is a nice, simple morning, what I would consider maybe a breakfast tea. But if I were getting ready to cook dinner, this is what I'd want to have. So this is a great way to start off our Thanksgiving. That really is nice. I'm actually surprised I like that much. Well, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I hope I get to see you the next time you stop by. This was a simple tea to make. This is great. This is wonderful.